Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we are going to explore the meaning of two words that you might not hear every day, but are definitely worth knowing. Let's start with utopia. Utopia. It's a word that has been around for centuries to describe a perfect world, an ideal society, an imaginary place where everything is just right. It's like a dream world where everything is perfect and there are no problems. For example, imagine a place where everyone is happy and there is no poverty or war. That would be a utopia. Here is a sentence example. The garden was like a utopia, a place of tranquility and beauty that seemed too perfect to be real. Now let's talk about decorous. Decorous. This word describes behavior that is proper, polite, and appropriate for a given situation. It's all about following the rules and showing respect for others. For example, if you are at a formal dinner party, you should act decorously by using good table manners and not talking with your mouth full. Here is a sentence example. The mayor's speech was decorous and respectful, even when addressing controversial issues. That's it for today's video, folks. Remember, adding these words to your vocabulary will help you express yourself more effectively and impress your friends and colleagues. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Words Well Read. Thanks for watching.